greets you. Headlights blazing. Ambient lighting awakening. The cabin breathing to life. What you are about to see is not just a car. This is the 2027 Mercedes C-Class. Redesigned from the ground up. Reimagined for a new era. Step inside. The door swings open. And the first thing that hits you is the light. Electric blue ambient lighting. Traces every surface. Every edge. Every curve. This is not just an interior. This is an experience. SFX, door opening plus ambient hum. Look at this from above. And you begin to understand the scale of what Mercedes has created. 4 seats wrapped in the darkest premium leather. A floating center console, dividing driver from passenger, and stretching across the entire dashboard. The most advanced hyperscreen ever fitted to a C-Class. Glowing, pulsing, alive. SFX, cinematic whoosh plus ambient tone. Look at this from above. And you begin to understand the scale of what Mercedes has created. At the center of it all, the steering wheel. Ultra-premium leather stitched. With absolute precision. Silver metallic controls. At your fingertips. And that iconic 3-pointed star. Reminding you exactly who made this machine. Take your position. Left hand on the wheel. Eyes forward. The hyperscreen fills your entire view with a constellation of information. Navigate